Is your localized integrity orchestration apps not working because of the Verify Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist, and I'll help you re-register that library and end the crashes. To start the walkthrough for Verify Library, you can follow my technical guide or use a utility designed to optimize your system configuration. This is the Verify Library, frequently associated with the self-check or CRC verification logic of software launches. It performs a hash comparison of core assets on launch. If missing, the application will report file integrity violation or a required component is missing, preventing the app from bootstrapping. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. If you see a Verify Library DLL alert, it usually indicates a corruption within the Localized Integrity Orchestration subfolder of your program, so you should reinstall the affected software to clear the conflict and restore the file. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes reestablish a broken link to the Verify Library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Restarting is our first line of defense. Since that didn't clear it, we'll dive into more specific settings in step 3, and if you need to pause the video to catch up, go right ahead. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Remember that manual replacement of Verify Library DLL is highly risky. Using unverified files from the internet can cause permanent damage to your Windows registry and lead to complete system failure. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. To reduce system-level conflicts, the maintenance utility below provides general guidance on managing Verify Library. If this engineering-focused approach to fixing Verify Library was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to stay updated on Windows security protocols.